what you do is you have your effect controls here. You got your limit your color here. You have your thing you're actually color correcting here selected, because then this will not apply to that. It'll apply whatever is being selected to. You open up your basic corrections here. Just kidding. You don't use the basic corrections. You use your color wheels and match, and you do your shadows here. Actually pull up this window here, and you open up your Lumet color, I think. No, your Lumet scopes. You have it set to your waveform. Not the other one on though. Then you use this so that you can change your shadows and then highlights so that they're not clipping on both sides here. And then you adjust your midtones by looking at the screen here. And then after that, you don't really need the scopes anymore. I mean, you probably do if you're really getting professional at it, but after that, you essentially adjust for a magenta. You do your midtones, highlights, shadows. First, you go for the magenta green correction on each of these wheels. Then you go for your warm and cool for each of these wheels, which might get it off balance, but you just got to make sure that you don't have any color in your shadows. That's what you have to make sure. And you can see here, this is how you turn off the color correction. When I hit that button there, it looks like this. When I turn it on, it looks like this. So that's how you do that. You also, if there's skin in the photo, in the picture, you definitely want to look at that. You can use your zoom functions here to adjust where you're seeing on screen. Look at the skin colors. Yeah, that's about it. I'll go back to fit. When I zoom in there, this looks very warm over here, but it's blue over here, so it really can't fix it to 100%. You cannot fix it 100%. So if you balance one area, the other area is gonna look imbalanced.